Hey friends, if you wish to remove a virus from your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure step by step, and it's not just running an antivirus software. Don't try the third-party software products, please. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. And now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Select Scan options, select Full Scan, click on Scan Now, and this will fix it. Now this may remove the virus but not its components, so search for disk cleanup, go to disk cleanup, click on OK, check all of these boxes here except for the one for system restore points, and then click on OK and then delete files. At the next stage, you need to install security updates too. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to updates, make sure that all updates, each and every one is installed on your system. Okay, and this will fix the problem in most of the cases. But if you still have any files that are suspicious, then please delete them from your system. That is the way to completely remove virus from your Windows computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.